new Norwex Spring products have just dropped. These are limited edition, and I can't wait to share them with you. I think the ones that I am most excited about are our new car care products, because so many car care products are actually toxic. And something that I didn't realize until recently is that when we wash our car, like in the yard, in the driveway, that runoff is treated like rainwater in our environment. It doesn't get filtered, it just goes straight into the ground. And so this is an easy swap to really detox cleaning the car. Another super fun thing is if you ever like to get your kids involved with family projects such as cleaning day, including the car, this is nice because now you have a safe way to do it. Okay, let's get started. So this is the car washing mitt. It is two-sided. So this side I've found helpful to scrub like the headlights and stuff like that. And then you just flip this and you get that extra scrubby side. And then your extra soft side is this one, which is what we use for the majority of the exterior of the car. Okay? And our super clean formula, no fake fragrances. Who thinks your car needs to have fragrance on the outside, right? But yet when you go through most car washes, you're going to see a lot of those added chemicals that, again, are not good for us, our endocrine system, AKA our hormones, and of course our groundwater and our environment as well. So this is the car shampoo. Now, when I first tried it out, when you buy the car cleaning essentials kit, you get this. I love this little thing. It is a hidden gem. It's got the little drain at the bottom to drain out the dirty water when you're done. And you just pop it open, which means it's super space efficient to store as well. Sorry, I should have a table. It pops much easier on the table. Okay, so you're going to just fill this with warm water. Now, I started out and I put 2 capfuls. Too much, too much, too much. So I'm excited to tell you that this is so concentrated that the next round we just did 1 capful, which was perfect. So you can imagine how many washes this one bottle is going to get you. So fill it with warm water. 1 capful is what we found worked for our water. And then you just dunk the sponge. It holds on to a nice amount of water. And of course, it's made specifically for the surface of your car. Now, we paired this with the Norwex Dry and Buff car cloth and the smooth polishing gray car cloth, which we have used for years and love on our cars to dry. So basically we wash it with this one and then we dry it with the Dry and Buff, or if it's the windows, we like the car cloth. It is like a window cloth on steroids. It is so fantastic for your mirrors, your windows, everything in your car. All right, so I will show you some video. I put my hubby Willie to work on cleaning our car, and so shout out to Willie on that. Okay, also nice for the car, but nice for elsewhere, is the new slimmer Envirro wand. So it's much like the Envirro wand you already have, know and love, except that one's a little bit more fluffy. So this is created for even skinnier spaces, like under the washer and under the fridge, over the fridge, between the washer dryer, all of those things. This also works really well, I found, on the car dashboard. I think of it as almost the dust mitt texture on both sides. And again, just like the original Envirro wand, you get to bend it so that it fits to your need. And so of course, yes, you can use this on your ceiling fans and inside the home. And like the other one, it works amazing dry, but also you can spritz it with just a little bit of water if you choose. So that is brand new limited edition. Again, these spring products are all limited edition. So if you see something you want, I would recommend to get it soon because these do tend to sell out. All right, so that is our car cleaning. Also, you all know the Envirro cloth is your everything cloth. You're going to clean absolutely everything with this. And its very best friend, the window cloth that you polish everything to a streak-free shine. And guess what? Norway sunset colors for the spring launch. So those of you who love pink, which I know there's several of you out there that tell me pink is your favorite, I think you're going to love the Norway sunset color pairing. Super fun. first Envirro Cloth with stripes. So if you're like us and you have to collect every color, then you're gonna love adding this to your collection. Now that works great in the house. Also, when we were cleaning the car, I used it for the interior of the car, and that worked awesome. All right, let's talk about the kitchen next. So there is a new eucalyptus light fragrance dish soap. So at the Echo House, we love, love, love our Biozyme dish soap, and we dilute it in the Forever Spray bottle. It now comes in cute little packets. I don't have it back there, but we love Biozyme for spraying on the dishes. But when you have like the dish soap brush or the little sponge brush that you can release the soap, this is what you get to put in the brush handle. And also, if you're one of those people who like to fill the sink and wash dishes like in the sink of water, this works great. Some of you just prefer the gel dish soap. We've had it for many, many years. It's always by our sink as well, but it works great with some of those special things, okay? And then I know at all my trade shows, you all come back, you're like, give me more sponges. You fall in love with the Norwex sponge. This is the Envirro Sponge Spring Norwegian Sunset exclusive. So fun. So these are sponges. Again, you can use them to wash your dishes. They also happen to pair really well with the Norwex Power Cleaning Paste when you're cleaning something that needs a little bit extra scrub. Also in the kitchen, so exciting. I know you are going to be thrilled that we have the silicone lids back in these gorgeous colors for a limited time. Again, if you want these limited time only, we've got the square one, which is perfect over the baking dishes. Now, I love that when I put this down, it actually seals. So it literally keeps things fresher. And of course, it keeps you from needing the plastic wrap, which is awful for our environment, awful for our health. If you've been learning about microplastics, the more we can replace that. These are silicone, and you're gonna love them. This is the cake pan size. So those are available for our spring launch. And then also in the kitchen, we have this cute tea towel set, okay? Isn't this fun? Again, Norway-inspired colors with that pop for spring. And it has, this is new, the matching dish kitchen cloth. Okay, so dries super fast. It is thinner, but the same amazing backlock Norwex microfiber that you have come to know and love. So that is very fun for the spring. And I forgot to tell you, there is another Envirro Cloth. I don't know what the color is, tangerine or something. Anyway, it goes perfectly with our spring color line. You guys love our Optic scarves. I know, again, this is one of those products people order in every color. They want one in the car, one by the keys, one by their night, wherever you read at night or watch TV. This is the spring launch Optic scarf. Again, limited edition. If you love it, grab it now. And this one is the rectangle. So the original Optic scarf was cut down the center, 2 squares, and Norwex now has it in a full rectangle. So if you choose, you can take it off the little key ring thing and just use it as a rectangle. You can put it in your purse, but it is actually created to hang on the outside of your purse so that it's quick, easy to grab. So that's our Optic scarf. And last but not least, some of us are obsessed with big towels, the on-the-go towel. Now, towels can grow an insane amount of bacteria in them, just like our other cleaning cloths. That's why the backlock silver embedded technology is so important with Norwex. We love it. This on-the-go towel has the backlock microsilver technology embedded into it, and it is like a super-sized beach towel. Now, if you have our beach towels, they are more suede-like in texture. I love our beach towels. This is more of a waffle weave, almost a blanket sort of texture to it, but it's very large, and you can use it on the beach. You can use it when you picnic. This is the perfect on-the-go blanket to make sure you always keep in the back of your vehicle. So you can order these at detoxourhomes.com, and that is my shopping site. If you're working with another consultant, be sure to get their link. Also, if you would like to host a Norwex party, online catalog party, in-person party. I am back to doing more in-person parties again. So if you live near me in the Austin, San Antonio area, call me, let's do this. I am telling you what, it feels just like it did 16 and a half years ago when I started my business. It's just we have so stinking much fun. So if that's of interest to you, let me know. Or if you would prefer online, or I do a lot of texting parties. They're super easy. Your guests get to watch through videos and learn about the products from their phone on their time. So if that's of interest, let me know. I can definitely get you set up with what I call my Norwex Express party as well. All right. Well, thank you, friends. Oh, and lastly, let me just say, I can't do this alone. This product line, this mission of Norwex is so incredibly powerful. It changes lives, and they're such a practical product. I love that Norwex is literally replacing typical grocery items that most Americans already have budgeted in. Their paper towels, their window cleaner, their granite cleaner, their stove cleaner, like all of the things that most people are purchasing anyway. Norwex gives people a simple, easy way to detox their home and swap out for safe, eco-friendly products. So thanks for watching. I would love to hear in the comments which of these is first on your list, and I will allow you a cheat code if you want to do the Car Essentials pack as one product. That is the only way that you can get your hands on this bucket, is the Car Essentials package, okay? So that's going to come with the car shampoo, the mitt, the bucket, and this bucket is not available for single purchase. And let me just close with this. This bucket works amazing for deep cleaning your Norwex cloths. Once you get it, you'll be like, where has this been all my life? It's so perfect. Pop it in the sink. It's the perfect size. Fill it with water, put in a tablespoon of the microfiber deep cleaner liquid, and soak your cloths 30 to 60 minutes in really hot water. I like to get hot water, mix the cleaner, not boiling because of the enzymes in the cleaner, but I like it hot. And then you just soak your cloths in there. I personally like to pull out a wooden spoon, and it's kind of like cloth soup. You just get to swish them. We recommend you do this every 6 months because your cloths work really hard for you, and sometimes they need their own spa day to detox and just shed off all the things that they have been busy picking up while you're cleaning your car, your home, and all the things. So the Norwex Microfiber Deep Clean is going to be perfect as well in the car bucket. All right, share in the comments which one are you most excited about to get. You can give me a 1, 2, 3 if you just can't choose one. All right, thank you for watching. I look forward to connecting with you.